Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to make this video for how to study in ninth and 10th standard. Student, actually up to the 8th standard you have a habit of studying before the exam. That means before 8 day or the 10 day or 15 days. But mostly I observed in my 10 years career, mostly students study only in 10 to 15 days. But this is not a proper method of study. This is applicable or this is suitable up to the 8th standard. Okay. Now you are into the 9th and 10th standard and you have a lot of subject. That means up to 8th standard there is only one maths textbook, then only one science textbook. Okay, but in 9th standard you have two maths, part 1, part 2, science part 1, part 2. Same way in case of the SST also. Okay, that means syllabus depth, okay, and the content also, that is increasing. Okay, so you have to give time and justice to every subject. Nowadays what happens? Students think that homework is their actual study, but this is not actual study. When your homework stops, then your real study starts. Means what? If you are saying that daily I am writing the something that been given homework by Marathi teacher, English teacher, Hindi teacher, maths teacher, science teacher, and now it's enough. After 2 hours you says to your mom and father that now I am going to play the game on laptop or the mobile, or on TV I am going to see the match, whatever, or the movies, etc. Actually students, the writing work is not a homework. Whenever I already told you that when homework finish, that time real study start. Means what? You have to make a separate timetable. Already I told you. In that timetable, you have to give the particular subject at particular time. Means what? By hearting subject compulsory take at morning, early morning. Okay. You have to compulsory wake up at 4 a.m. Minimum 4 a.m. Maximum 3 a.m. Okay. 4 to 6 you have to study. Then do exercise, pranayama, because this is also essential as health is a wealth. Health is more than wealth, because if your health is good, then your concentration will be nice in study. Second point, after the completion of timetable, and one more thing, you have to take the practice subject at night time, like the maths and science, SST also. But Marathi, Hindi, English mostly do study at morning section. So how to study? So many students ask me regarding how to study. Again I am going to trace you that make a particular timetable, follow it strictly, make good habit of study. Then second one thing is that in case of the language study, focus on activities, focus on writing skill, focus on grammar, and then seen unseen, because rest subjects are also rest content are also important, but majority part is the grammar, vocabulary, writing skill, like that one. Seen unseen, that these are easy because answers are hidden in that passage and the poem. Only 1 to 2 questions are applicable question, that is your extra knowledge questions. So in this way you have to study the textual content from the language section. And in case of the maths, that maths part 1, part 2, you have to take every example seriously. What happened? I observed that in 10th standard also, in 9th standard also, students are thinking in their mind that this example is too much easy, so it is not necessary to see because I have a confidence on it. But student, listen, here you are making a mistake. Though the example is easy, you have to practice it one time again, not only before the exam, but that day also, when your teacher taught that example. Next one thing, in case of the science also, every questions you have to read by heart, listen, grasp, practice. In case of the numerical, you have to practice. in science. In case of SST, the SST is totally by hearting subject. So take revisions. Okay, revisions means what? One revision, second revision, third revision. What will happen after every revision? You have a lot of confidence day by day that I know this topic very well. For that purpose, when you are by hearting the answers, so firstly by heart, then just remind it, remember again it, that means remind, recite. During reciting you will get that confidence. So this is about the how to study. The answer of how to study question is given by me. Second one thing is that your friend circle. Choose a proper friend circle. Means what? Some students in your class are only the physical student in classroom. Means what? They are mentally not present in the classroom. They are either disturbing themselves or their friends. So it is in your hand to choose, to identify who is my best friend, who is scholar, who is talented, and then you have to choose it. Firstly, identify. So friendship also plays an important role in case of the 9th and 10th standard. And 9th and 10th standard are very delicate years for the career. If 9th and 10th year is very good, then your future is also very good. So remember that what I am going to say again, I will trace friend circle. Firstly, choose proper friend circle, and then follow all the steps of study. Today I am going to make this video. Why? Because I observed this one. So I hope it will be helpful not only for my student but also all the student from the Maharashtra or all other country or from the India. They are going to see this video. Definitely it will helpful for them. So I hope you understood this one. In next video I will guide regarding the study again and also some content. So best of luck for your career and best of luck for your all the exams. So I hope you understood all this content and all this the remember that means the philosophy of that study. So please subscribe my channel, share it. Thank you.